I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to resize images in InDesign. Make sure you subscribe for more videos if you haven't yet. And now let's jump right into this video. So here I'm going to add. So here we have a frame now, and I would like to add inside this frame a picture. And actually, let's add another frame. And in fact, I can go to Document Setup, and here we have number of pages. So I'm just gonna enter here, in fact, 6. Okay. Now we have 6 pages here. I can click on Pages, and I can click on Allow Selected Spread Document Pages to Shuffle, and that's not something I want. So now I can move them individually because I unchecked that. Now I'm gonna add here another frame. Another one, another one, another one, another one. Now I'm gonna go to File, Place, and here I'm gonna hold Shift or Control actually, and place all these images. Now I can click in one, second, the other one, and the other one. Now I'm gonna explain how to resize all these images here. For the first one, if I click one time, now I can move only this image inside this frame. I uncheck, unselect, and if you double click, now if you just click one time, now you can move the frame with the image at the same time. But if I double click, now I can resize this image. I can hold Shift and Control to resize this, double click to click on the image, to select the image. Now I can resize the image how I want. But this is like crushed like this. That's something we want. Another way that I'm using the most often is right click, and here we have fitting, and we want fill frame proportionally. This will fill the frame proportionally. We can also right click and select here if we want to preserve the original content. Then that's what we have now. We want to preserve the original content, but if you don't want to have any bars here left, you just want to fill the entire frame, this method it's gonna do it. So you just have to select fill frame proportionally. Alright, now for the next one, we click again fill frame proportionally. You can also double click as I showed you and move it the way you want, and grab it from this anchor point. And now if you double click again, now you can resize the image again, move it how you want, hold Control, hold Shift Control, so it just will lock in, so you don't have a crushed image, unproportioned image. Now let's move to the next one. If you just click outside, or if you double click, we'll select the image and we can resize it. We can right click, we can go to fitting, we can select fill frame proportionally, or the shortcut Control Alt Shift C. So Control Alt Shift C, and that's the shortcut Control Alt Shift C. Control Alt Shift C. Usually I don't really use that much the shortcut because I can just move like this pretty fast. You also have fill frame to content. Fill frame to content. So if this frame, the resolution of the frame is different to the image, the frame will actually change its size, so will actually match the image resolution. So now if I go here, I select fitting and I select fit frame to content, all Control Alt C, Control Alt C. As you can see, the frame changed, and now we have the entire image with the exact resolution. We can Control Alt C, Control Alt C, Control Alt C. We also have here fit content to frame. That's another way. So when you want, you can go to fitting here, and this is going to help. You can also go to center image. If you have the images located kind of here, that's going to center the image. So that's another way. Now, if you want, you can create multiple frames of equal dimensions, and then so you can place your images. So if you grab this frame from here and we drag, I would like actually to cover 2 pages. Now don't untouch your mouse, you know, just hold it and then use the arrows. Up will create 2 or more, and down will remove. Right will add more, and now left will remove. Now just take your finger from your mouse, and now you can place images. Place, and let's place a couple of images. That's super helpful. Now we can go fitting, fit content to frame, but this will deform the image. You can fill frame proportionally, fill frame proportionally, fill frame proportionally, and fill frame proportionally. Now let's try again. So go to frame, hold arrows up and left. Now we can place image. Edit caption. We can hide, transform if you want to move. Okay. Here we have another frame, copy it from there. Copy, create another copy. We can go to place here, add one here. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.